In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage deals in HubSpot CRM. We'll begin by signing into HubSpot. Once you're in your account, open the CRM area from the main navigation, then select Deals. This is where you can view, organize, and track sales opportunities throughout your pipeline. To create a new deal, click Create Deal. You'll first enter the deal name. Choose a clear, recognizable name so it's easy to identify later, especially if your team is managing multiple opportunities at the same time. Next, select the pipeline. Pipelines help organize deals based on your sales process, so make sure you choose the one that matches the type of opportunity you're creating. After that, select the deal stage. This indicates where the opportunity currently stands, such as a new lead, a qualified opportunity, or a later stage in the sales cycle. Then enter the deal amount so the potential value of the opportunity is properly tracked. Set the close date as well, which helps with forecasting and gives your team a timeline to work toward. Now select the deal owner, which assigns responsibility for the deal to the right person. Then choose the deal type and set the priority. These fields help categorize the deal and make it easier to report on urgency and sales activity. Next, associate contact records with the deal. This links the people involved in the opportunity, so you can keep communication and activity in one place. When prompted, select the contact association label that best describes the relationship. Then associate company records and review the company association label to confirm the connection is accurate. If the deal includes products or services, add a line item. After that, enter the quantity so the record reflects what's being sold. Before finishing, review all the deal information carefully. This is a good time to double-check the stage, amount, close date, and associations to avoid cleanup later. Once everything looks correct, click Create. Now open the deal record to manage it in more detail. Review the deal details to confirm everything was saved correctly. As the opportunity moves forward, update the deal stage to reflect progress. You can also edit the deal information at any time if values, dates, or ownership change. From the deal record, you can manage associated contacts and companies to keep relationships accurate and up to date. You can also update line items if the scope of the deal changes. Finally, monitor deal progress regularly so your pipeline stays current and your reporting remains reliable. Thanks for watching.